Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to upload an assignment that you can take a picture of. So this is on paper and then you just submit the assignment with the image. So this is a class that I took last summer and it's the only one that I could do because I'm a student in the class. So you don't have anything that looks like this right now. However, over here on your submissions it should say submit assignment. Mine says resubmit because once you do it, then you can do it again and again. Alright, so you're going to go to upload is fine. You can also go to create, but first I want you to go to your camera. So you find your camera app and you're going to, yeah, I'm blocking myself here, but you're going to whatever your assignment is, you're just going to put it up to your camera there. And you're going to make sure it's all on the screen, make sure that it's centered and I can see all the words, otherwise I can't grade it. Take a picture and then you're going to go back to here, and again, upload, you can go here to file, or create, you can go to insert image, either one will work, and then attach file. Oh, there's all my pictures. Camera roll, that's mine. And it should be right here in my camera roll. You can also download it, your image, and then it'll be in your downloads, whichever's easiest. And then you're going to go to submit. And once you've done it, it will pop up here to say that you've submitted it. Okay? That's how you put in a picture of something on paper.